Hey everyone, my name is Bram and in the year 2020 I started my journey to drive from Belgium all the way down into India. I'm now in Turkey and decided to spend the whole winter in Antalya. Because in my small van I don't have any heating system and it can become very uncomfortable if I continue traveling. The winter here in Antalya is very nice and the weather is still pretty warm. The city is also really beautiful and that's why I decided to stay here in Antalya. While I'm waiting until the winter is over, I don't want to sit still and do nothing. So I decided to participate in a few projects while I'm here. And while I was working on one of these projects, I had some problems on my van as well. In this video, I'm gonna explain you everything what happened and everything about the project. So check it out.
I'm standing here at the main gate of Gemeinsam for Tiere. This is a German animal shelter here in Turkey and they take all the abandoned animals from the streets from in and around Antalya. I like this idea. So let's go in and discover the place, shall we? Okay, as you hear, it's pretty noisy in here with these 200 dogs, 50 cats, 15 donkeys and 4 horses. I'm gonna try something new because the microphone quality on this YouTube channel is not the best. So I'm gonna try this microphone test. So I hope that the microphone quality will improve a bit, especially with all these dogs here around. Let me know which one is the best. I'm volunteering here and probably you guessed it, my job here is to take care of all the cats. All these cats are so lovely that you see them sitting on my head, it's crazy. And I'm just trying to give them a better life because they really don't deserve this, to sit here in this cage, in this prison for animals that didn't even do anything wrong. They're just sitting here because they don't have a home and it's so sad. So I'm here to help them and to give them a better life.
My workday here in the animal shelter looks as follows. I was responsible for the cats. Every morning I start off the day by saying good morning to my cats and give them some love because they really need some love. At this point the cats are still really hungry, so after some cuddling I give them some food. Next up is cleaning their cage. That's the longer I'm cleaning, that's the more cats are finished with eating, so they come back to me and ask for more attention.
Okay, I'm standing here with Honor. So you're working here already for 1 month?
Yeah, approximately.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
and
that's right.
Why did you start working here?
So nice to work with animals, with the dogs and donkeys and the cats, because they are full of love. They have no jealousy, no lies. You do the work you love. So that's why I'm here. This is much better.
You were sick of the office?
Yeah, I'm really sick of the office and
I feel you, man.
targets and the managers and the things like that. It's really boring. And when you get out of that environment, you realize how bad it is.
Yeah, I understand. Before I started traveling, I was also a programmer in the office, so
So we share the same thing.
Yeah. So can you tell me how this place works?
We are taking those animals and making their medication, and we are taking care of them. We are making them healthier. Then we are looking for adoption. We are looking for nice homes to spend their rest of the life.
you can give all the animals like as much as food if you want, as a beautiful place to sleep, a lot of care. But I think the thing that they need the most is like love and a
Love.
home and
Yeah, that's right. That's right. We all need love. We have 200 dogs, 50 cats, and 15 donkeys, 2 mules. So it's almost impossible to give the love they need, but we are trying to do our best.
yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
At least we and are trying to do something. At least someone is trying to do something.
Yeah, that's lovely. That's why I'm here volunteering and
Yeah, it's-
helping the place a bit.
It was so good, and thank you so much for your help. It was really, really, and your work is really awesome.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Your work is also awesome, man.
Van maken.
You're just Van maken. So, Onur, what can we do to help these dogs?
You can do many things. If you all want to help us, you can visit www.Gemeinsam.de and visit there. If you want to adopt a cat or dog, you may find there's a section. Otherwise, you can come here and help us as a volunteer, or otherwise you can donate us and we can do all of things for you.
Perfect. That's beautiful. They really love you, man.
Yeah, could be. Dur. I hope it's okay. I hope it's okay. Thank you for coming and thank you for joining us. I hope to see you again.
Yeah, I hope to see you again. Thank you for having me, and thank you that I was able to do this job and do my part in taking care of the dogs and the animals.
I did volunteering work in the animal shelter for over 2 weeks. I worked 5 hours a day in the morning. After my work, I had plenty of time to explore the area. It's so special here. The most impressive place that I found are these wild caves. I had the feeling that a few people, or maybe no people at all, have ever been here. I cannot describe the feeling that I got when I was in these caves. It's crazy, it's unbelievable beautiful. I've drove 10,000 kilometers from Belgium all the way to Antalya here, with some minor problems on my van. And now here in Antalya, while I was doing volunteering work, my van broke down.
I was driving towards the beach and suddenly I could not give any gas anymore. So I'm stuck here now. Here's the gas pedal and it's not coming back anymore. So yeah, I cannot drive like this. So yeah, let's see if we can fix this. Here is a broken acceleration cable. At the end here needs to be something like this. And yeah, that's definitely absent on this side. So I need to have a new cable like this. And we are back up and running, you know. We're gonna go to India, I tell you, man. Okay, how did I get back to the animal shelter? Yeah, I drove literally by just putting one hand around the cable and just pulling on the cable and giving gas by pulling at it. Oh, that was such a crazy idea. It worked and I'm home now. So next step is getting out this cable again and go to the garage to search a new cable. Okay, we're now 1 day later and I'm very lucky. I found the original cable again, the original part from Ford. So let's install it.
So welcome to Van Breaks Down Part 2. All jokes aside, I was driving 90 kilometers an hour on this highway, and then suddenly the engine just shut it off. How could this happen when I'm still driving? No idea. The acceleration cable was still intact. Woo! Good, because I just replaced that one. I think we have a bigger problem than last time. Yeah, follow me in the journey to fix my car again. After some time searching for the problem why my engine does not want to start anymore, I found out that there was no spark anymore. That means that the gasoline in the engine would not ignite anymore. To make sure it doesn't break again soon, I just replaced everything that had to do with the spark. New parts for a Ford Transit MK2 are pretty cheap here in Turkey. So I also increased my stock of spare parts. Nice.
Okay, this was everything for this video. In my next video I'm gonna talk about another project I'm doing right now here in Antalya as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. But for now, I hope you'll always see the light of stars, follow your dreams, and until next time YouTube, ciao!